Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Lyft, who claims that, or I'm sorry, that isn't claimed, but Lyft is named as Fortune's most innovative companies list in 26, is following Uber with bundling trips.
There they are. And although, Chris, I must give this to Lyft, they do copy Uber, but they do it better. So they copied Uber in Trip Radar. I think Lyft's Trip Finder is better than Trip Radar.
Yeah, Ride Finder is definitely better.
Yeah, and this one, see, this is the way the trip is getting bundled. So the screenshot on the left, on the right, furthest on the right, folks, is the basic one. So that's where you start, right? It says 2 rides, $1,735 total. So that's the bundled trip. Now, if you go into the details of it, okay, now it breaks it down. It breaks down each trip. See where it says trip number 1, ride number 2 in the middle one, and ride number 1 on the left, right? Uber doesn't do that. Uber doesn't give you this much detail when you do bundled scheduled trips. So I do like the way it's presented. The pay is still shit, I'm pretty sure, but I do like the way it's presented.
Let's talk. So you're getting $17.35 total for ride 1, and 2, and let's just do this. It's tomorrow at 7:15. So these are scheduled trips. These are not on demand like what Uber's been doing. But you know, they've been bundling trips when it comes to reservations for a little bit now. Lyft is just starting. So yeah, you're seeing ride 1, ride 2, 8:01 for the first trip, and it shows you that information. So you're going to be on at 7:15 in the morning, and it's a 21-minute, 6.9 mile drive for $8.01. And then your ride 2 is at 8 a.m., and that is 24 minutes or 5.2 miles. And you're getting $9.34 plus $1.49 in bonus for the total of $17.35. Wait. No. Oh, yeah. It's because that includes, okay. And then, but when you add up the time, they're expecting about 1 hour and 9 minutes. So is that worth it for you? And then it's 14.2 miles. I mean, it's over $1 a mile, but then you look at it for the time that you have to spend doing it. Is that going to be worth it for you?
No, it's not. It's definitely not. But however, I like the way it's presented. Again, it's up to you to do bundle trips or not trips. I like the transparency part of it, not the pay part of it, obviously. But the bigger part, do you see on the third screenshot where it says 40% turbo, Chris? I've started getting inundated again with emails with the shaving part.
Oh yeah. Well, hold on.
They are not adding the turbo. When they add the turbo, they're adding the turbo, but then the original fare up front on the scheduled trip is getting cut by like 30%. And I'm like, we've been talking about this. I've been sending this to Lyft forever now. This time, I didn't send it to my regular contact. I directly sent it to Jeremy. I go, Jeremy, whoever I'm dealing with at Lyft is not paying any attention to what I'm sending them, obviously, because this has been going on. And today's email was so well done, so well documented, and it's like, you got to be dumb shit not to understand what we're talking about here. So that 40% turbo you guys see, you may get that, but then they will definitely reduce the base. The 1735 will probably go to like 12. So be careful doing any scheduled trip on Lyft.
Well, I think right there though it spits it out for you. So you see 8:01 and then you see 9:34, but that includes the $1.49 bonus. So the difference is it could include that include bonus right there is probably a turbo that's attached to it. And then depending if that turbo goes higher, that's where you're going to see the difference. So you got to look at the math a little bit. But you like that first ride, that 715, if there's a flash turbo that happens, you know, that should go on top of the 801. It shouldn't be, you know, changing that base fare at all. So there's a problem because it's so caveated when it comes to this, and you have to like do a lot of different math in order to see if it's working out the way it's supposed to. But I mean, the breakdown is so much nicer because you're seeing both trips. I like the map breakdown. It's clean and easy to see. And then even the second one, it shows you 7 minutes, 2 miles to pick up. So you know about how long everything is within that. So that's real nice as well too. But when it comes down to these trips, I don't know. But you know what I wouldn't be surprised seeing soon is, you know how they have the wait and save. I wouldn't be surprised if you do wait and save and then they start bundling on-demand trips. So you get a regular trip come in, and then you have somebody who does wait and save, and they're right near each other, and they're like, okay, well, we'll just bundle these together.
Well, that's what Uber is doing now, right? On demand trips. We showed that last couple of weeks, and I don't think Lyft is going to be too far behind. Although Lyft is copying now just the bundles now. I like the way they did it. They have improved version of the bundles now, because in Uber there is no transparency. You don't know what the hell is going on. You just see 2 trips. You don't see pickup, drop off individually. You don't see any of that stuff. So Lyft has done a better job of it. But that turbo thing, man, is very troubling, right? The shaving part that we talked about for a while now. So hopefully we're going to fix that for you guys.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.